I'm Dr. Mike Crivetti, and I want to introduce you to the Coronado Medical Center. The Coronado Medical Center features Crivetti Orthopedics and Sports Medicine, the Coronado Surgery Center, and the Outpatient Surgical Recovery Suites. In 2010, I had a dream to perform hip and knee replacement surgery in the Coronado Surgery Center. The Coronado Surgery Center features 2 state-of-the-art operating rooms where your hip or knee replacement surgery will be performed. After 2 hours in the recovery room, the physical therapist will help you in taking your first steps. You'll then be admitted into the Outpatient Surgical Recovery Suites. The Outpatient Surgical Recovery Suites feature 6 private rooms with the amenities of home, including a comfortable bed and a private bathroom. Our nurses and therapists are there 24 hours a day to support you in your every step. The Secure Track system is ceiling-based to make you feel safe in every step that you take. Our goal is to get you up and walking as soon as possible and home within 48 hours. If I could leave you with one thought, remember that you'll enter this place as a patient, but know you will leave as a friend. And what challenges we overcome here will bond us forever. To learn more about an outpatient hip or knee replacement surgery at Crivetti Orthopedics and Sports Medicine, visit CrivettiOrtho.com.